going to be riding the Suzuki TU250. We're going to be answering the age-old question, can you get a Dominos pizza and a 2-liter home on the Suzuki TU250? To answer that question, we'll just be today utilizing a backpack and the bike. So, without much further ado, we're going to get this guy fired up, and we will be on our way. Got about 120 miles on this tank, so about 50 more to go. A nice welcome change from the other more fuel-consuming bikes. Welcome aboard. The TU is such a happy little bike. It is just ready to go up hills. Beautiful day out. Beautiful day. Oh yeah, I got a pizza, Parmesan bites, and a 2-liter. So 3 boxes. Make sure I get 3 boxes or 3 items back. This is such a good bike. This thing's happy to go any speed you want. Need to go slow? You can go slow. Need to go like 70? You can go 70. Pretty good bike. Boy, you don't even have to go shopping. Just here, just look for a free pile. It's I forgot, is it the end of the semester or beginning? But one of them. You get all the free piles and stuff out, which is really nice. I was loving the Suzuki. It's a nice bike. This thing's awesome. Clothes, shoes, tapes. I can't read that last part. Okay, here's our stuff. Let's make this happen. And put it in the middle pocket so it's not bouncing around. Okay. That's good. And then we got our 2 liter. Now the 2 liter, you know what, that kind of throws off our whole plan. I guess I'll do the 2 liter. The 2 liter would be best, closest to me. Okay, there we go. Perfect. And I just want to acknowledge this guy's sticker collection. Look at this. Cool stuff. I detailed the Suzuki earlier. Oh. Look how nice it looks. Okay, so now I got our pizza. It's totally horizontal. I'm just gonna be placing it. Where's the thing that you want to do is, where's the 2 liter? There's the 2 liter. Now we're totally good. Sweet. There we go. Alright, pizza. Now the pizza, it's totally secure because it's resting up against my elbow. I don't know, the camera can't show it, but I got my elbow on it. So yeah, we're totally good. I'm excited for pizza and a 2 liter. And yeah, when you brake, nothing happens. It kind of stays put. There we go. And you can see I'm kind of not leaning the bike as I would. Hopefully no one hits me just because I want to get home and eat my pizza. But yeah, I'd say this Suzuki TU250 is the perfect pizza bike. Ideally, I just, grab 2, what do you call them, bungee cords. 2 bungee cords, and then you're just good to go. Throw it over the tank, strap it down, either side of the tank, good to go. I used to do pizza delivery. 3 separate pizza delivery places, so it's kind of funny. I guess that's the reason why I did this video. I thought that was my turn, but I think I can go one more. And what's nice is, in the backpack, the pizza stays warm. The wind's not getting to it. It's all good. But yeah, TU250, happy as a clam. Domino's Pizza. Not sponsored. Nice long engine brake. And honestly, I don't even know, we don't even have to shift down. I should have waved to the sheriff, oh well. Oh, alright, there we go. Perfect. There we go. Oh man, I started in 3rd gear. You can kind of hear it. It's like It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Oh, look, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C. Wow, what's going on here? Got the bike? Hell yeah, brother. Got the boat. Utah drivers are the best drivers. Utah drivers are the best. Alright, now we can go left. I apologize, right. Utah drivers are so great. They take right turns and make no mistakes. Oh, Utah. That was third gear. That was third gear that whole time. Not bad. Donna Bracky. I need a big sign. I'm really important. Really important. Another big hill. Oh, Utah. If you start to make the turn, you gotta commit. It's Utah, and I guess it don't matter. We'll forgive you this time. Alright, guys. Hope you have a good day. Stay awesome. And enjoy the ride. Take care.